everyone, very good evening to all of you. NEET PG 22 date has been a big talk of the town today. And to add to that dilemma, has come an information bulletin circulating everywhere. Now, I'm making this video because I'm not able to answer every one of your queries. But there is a information bulletin. I'll just show you that. This is an information bulletin given to me and circulating everywhere. It talks about the NEET PG 22 date. A few things I'll just mention here. This, first of all, doesn't look like anything which has been photoshopped from the last year of PG 21 for various reasons. If you read this carefully, I've gone through this in a detailed manner also. So it clearly says that the NEET examination date is 12th of March 22. It's not something new that we have been waiting for. The date is same as was also told by the NB website. In fact, the MDS has already MDS had already announced the date just a week before this date, and therefore we expected this date to be there. Now, whether this date is true or not, I think because this has not been uploaded in the MV website, so it is creating really a confusion in mind of students as well as my own mind that whether this is true or not. But whatever happens, I would just request you one thing: keep on studying and do not just get deviated by anything else. Whether it's fake or not, I'm not there to decide upon, but it's my duty to tell you that one thing will always protect you, whether the exam is on 12th of March or not, is that you keep on studying. If you talk about, if you ask me, sir, how true this information looks like, this information bulletin looks to be very, very legitimate. Now, what might have happened is they would have sent this to the IT cell and they would have not updated it on the right time. And that is why the reason this has actually come into the internet and has been circulating everywhere. It should not actually, and it should be in the NB website where you can't find it. So that is really creating a big confusion. So guys, if there's any information else, I'll surely update you as soon as I can. I just make this video short and sweet. Just requesting you one thing. Right now the date is this one and there's nothing else to believe on. So please keep on studying. Anything that comes out, I'll tell you as a first person. Goodbye, take care. God bless you all. Good night.